You know, January is such an interesting month. People are ready to reset, to feel steady again, to reconnect with their routines. But the moment I sit down with clients after the holidays, I hear the same thing over and over. Manuel, I wake up hungry, and then I'm hungry again an hour later. And then the cravings start. And I always tell them, this isn't a discipline issue, it's biology. In the morning, your hunger hormone ghrelin is naturally elevated. It's your body's way of saying, hey, we are awake, we need fuel. But here is the thing. When breakfast is too light or not balanced enough with protein, ghrelin stays high. And when ghrelin is high, everything looks tempting. Your appetite feels louder, your cravings feel stronger, and your energy dips sooner. So the very first thing you eat in the morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. Your hunger, your mood, and even your decision-making around food. Before I go deeper, I want to share something I am really excited about. I partner with the National Dairy Council to bring you this video because dairy plays a beautiful role in building breakfast that keeps you full and steady for hours. And let me also share something personal. I'm actually lactose intolerant, and I still enjoy dairy every single day. I simply choose products that work for me. At home, I use lactose-free milk, and many dairy foods like eggs, cheeses, and yogurt are naturally lower in lactose. So if you're like me, you can still enjoy dairy comfortably and deliciously. Now, let's talk about why dairy works so well in the morning. It gives you high-quality protein that helps calm hunger. And it gives you this natural creaminess that makes breakfast feel incredibly satisfying and is versatile. With just 2 ingredients, cottage cheese and Greek yogurt, you can create breakfast options that are fast, delicious, supportive of a steady energy, and perfect for meal prep. I mean it. This one is one of the easiest ways to set up your morning for success. And that brings me to one of my favorite breakfast ideas, my cream fruit jars. These jars taste like dessert, but they're nourishing, rich in protein, beautifully balanced. And the best part, once you learn the base, you can create endless variations. I always begin by blending the dairy, cottage cheese and Greek yogurt together with the fruit. So for the mango coconut cream jar, the mango goes straight into the blender with the dairy, a little vanilla if you wish, and just enough sweetness to bring everything together. You can use fresh or frozen mangoes here. Both work beautifully. Once the cream is completely smooth, I stir in the chia seeds and the shredded coconut. I don't blend them, I mix them in afterwards so that texture stays creamy but thickens naturally as it chills. And finish with fresh mango and sprinkle some shredded coconut on top. My blueberry vanilla cream jar follows the same approach. The blueberries are blended directly into the dairy base with vanilla, which gives the deep purple color and a flavor that tastes like blueberry cheesecake. After blending, I stir in the chia. Now here I have a tip for you. If you want even more fiber and texture, stir in ground flax seeds with the chia seeds. After blending, don't blend them, keep them whole so they give you the nice contrast. Let it set and then top it with blueberries and walnuts for crunch. And the strawberry pistachio cream jar is made the same way. The strawberries are blended into the dairy. The chia is stirred in with the flax after blending and is finished with chopped pistachios on top for texture. Now, why do these jars keep you full for hours? It's the combination. You're getting high-quality dairy protein that helps calm hunger. You're getting fiber from the fruit, which adds volume and slow digestion. You're getting the healthy fats that keeps your energy steady. And you are getting a breakfast that tastes indulgent, so you actually enjoy eating it. And when you enjoy your food, it's so much easier to stay consistent. These jars are also fantastic for meal prep. You can make 3 or 4 at a time. Store them in the refrigerator, grab one on your way out of the door, or enjoy them between meetings. They hold their texture beautifully for 2 to 3 days, especially if you add the crunchy toppings right before eating. So if you're looking for a breakfast that keeps you full, steady, and energized, especially at the start of the year, these green fruit jars are such a wonderful place to begin. All 3 recipes, mango coconut, blueberry vanilla, and strawberry pistachio, are on my blog. I will link them in the description so you can make them at home. Visit usdairy.com for more information on the benefits of cottage cheese and Greek yogurt. So here's to a nourishing, satisfying start of the year. Creamy, delicious, easy, and absolutely enjoyable. Remember, stop dieting, start living.